Dr. JD, and this is Metaforms. Metaforms is a simple logic puzzle, a lot like Sudoku, but taken to the next level. The goal of the game is simple, to place each one of the 9 forms in the appropriate square on the puzzle board. However, we have to follow some complicated logic rules. So as you can see, we go to the logic puzzle and we're given a series of clues. Clue number 1 is a positive clue. So these squiggly lines indicate to us that the blue triangle has to be placed into this spot. So I grab my blue triangle, put it in the appropriate spot. Clue number 2.
Let me try the next one.
All right, try it out, Andy. Let's see you go.
It looks like it's a triangle and placed in that squiggly place there.
Positive clue? That's right. That's where the red triangle goes. So clue number 3 gets a little bit more complicated because we're given a series of negative clues. These X's in each box tell us that the yellow triangle cannot go into any of those places, only in one of these 3 places. So, because we know that the blue triangle and the red triangle had to go into these 2 places from our 2 previous clues, we know that the only place left for the yellow triangle to go is correct. Way to go, Andy. So, moving on, we're going to go for the blue square. Blue square tells us a series of negative clues. That's okay. You are forgiven. We will move on to the next clue. Red square going into the top corner. We are looking at a yellow square. Positive clue tells us we're going into the bottom in the middle. Next clue looks a little bit more complicated. So I'm not allowed to put my blue circle in either of those 5. So my only one available space is over here. Moving forward to the red circle. Can't go down that line, so it has to go down this line. And the only space available for my yellow circle is right there. So that's Metaforms. It's a fabulous game because it starts out nice and simple. Puzzle number 1, a series of positive clues, very easy to follow. So the logic rules get more and more complex with each and every puzzle as we move forward. Metaforms, a great way to improve your